This is topic C on page 66, reviewing markups.
In the process of reviewing the suggested changes, it might help to hide the changes from a particular reviewer or display the document as it would look in the final copy. You can adjust which reviewers and types of changes are displayed. As you work with the document, you can toggle between the marked up copy and what the final document would look like with all the changes accepted. As you compare the changes between documents, you may not want to retain all of the suggested changes. You must select which changes to accept or reject for the final document. You can accept or reject individual changes or all changes as a group. On your Review tab, in your Changes command group, this enables you to quickly navigate from one change to the next, as well as accept or reject a selected change. To navigate from change to change without accepting or rejecting, you use the Previous and Next buttons. To accept a change and automatically move to the next change, you select the Accept button. To reject a change and move to the next change, you select your Reject button. To accept or reject all changes at once, select either drop-down, and from the drop-down list, you can select the appropriate menu choice. So you can accept and move to next, accept only this particular change, accept all changes in the document, or accept all changes and stop tracking. Same for your reject command. So suppose I sent my track changes that I made on the document to my coworker. Now I'm having him or her review what I changed here, and he's able to accept or reject any of my changes. So first I want to hit Control Home to bring my cursor to the beginning of the document, and then on my Review tab in my Changes command group, I'm going to select my Next button, and it's going to select my first change. Now, maybe I don't know what exactly was done here. We actually have in the tracking group a reviewing pane, and it's going to exactly tell you what each user did. So it shows that I first centered it, and then I inserted the text Video Tools. So if he wants to accept this change, he can choose the Accept button, and now that text is no longer shown in red and underlined. It only shows that red highlighting because I have a comment attached to it, but the actual text is now locked into place there. So now it has the comment selected. Don't you think we should add a title to the document? Well, he accepted it, so I guess he agreed. Now he can get rid of this comment that I added. He can right-click and delete comment, or he can delete it from the Review tab as well. So I'll hit delete there, and you can see now it's added in. Now he can move to the next change, and this shows that I deleted the word powerful and I inserted influential. Maybe he doesn't want that change. He wants to keep powerful and not influential. He's going to reject this. It's going to move to the next change of inserting influential. He's going to reject that as well. So it gets rid of influential, it keeps powerful. Click the insert and I added the word tab. I'm going to accept that. And we're going to reject the deletion of the word then. So now all that's shown in my revisions pane is that centering of the word Video Tools, which we can accept as well. So now it shows that there are 0 revisions left to accept or reject. I can close out my revisions pane, and now all changes have been made in the document. All right.
Our next video will be activity 3.3 on page 68.